starting a little bit earlier than expected. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all doing very well. Charlie, thank you for sending your folks our way for a very early, nice little read. Here is, we're still in our opening, but here is our opening tune.
7 months of Ellen and Bilbo.
Our opening tune, Star Child, STAR Child by the Orion Experience. Welcome along, everybody. We're just getting started. My name is Ellen. This, very well timed. Who was that? Carbonifer Oak. This is Bingo. I hope you are all having a lovely time. You all had a lovely time and had some fun guessing some geos. And I have some folks to say thank you for. First of all, to Charlie Cool-like, thank you very much for rating our channel with 135 viewers. I hope you had a lovely time. No offense, thank you very much for resubbing for your 5th month with Prime. Pixelation Loss, thank you for resubbing for 7 months. For your 7th month, that's over half a year now. Welcome along. And Sarah Days, thank you for resubbing with your Prime for 3 months. I am interrupting the Star Child. My apologies. Welcome on board this full-size London Underground service to Aldgate in the Metropolitan, on the Metropolitan line. 3 Turtles 3, thank you very much for gifting 5 Tier 1 subs to the community. I hope you're well. Thank you very much, 3 Turtles 3. And to the folks who got their Tier 1 subs, enjoy the bingos.
3 just gifted 5 subs to the Bilbo fan club.
Bilbo says poggies. Bilbo does. And Clueless Pixie, thank you very much for resubbing for your 6th month. Welcome along. I know the music's live, but this is our intro song.
GeoGuessr and Bilbo and Ellen, of course. Elm ball, elm sax. Take too long.
I have a big boy on my table today.
Hi Bingo.
Clueless Pixie.
Cat.
Fabulous Nugget, thank you very much for resubbing for your 7th month, here for over half a year as well now. And Clueless Pixie, thank you very much for resubbing for your 6th month. Floor Posts, thank you also for 101 Dreamies, getting that angry gay man on screen. This is my favourite bit of the song now. So we'll let it take over a little bit.
Star Child, you could go wild. Hit him with a rhythm that'll make thugs smile. Firefly, shine bright. Sink in the kitchen, mate, that's my style. Break rules, bend mics. World is a stage
opening night. Go to the right. We'll never stay trapped in a race for a rat. Never. An unkindly one, thank you very, very much for gifting 5 Tier 1 subs to the community. It's all happening. And that's what he is right here. Here's another one. That's what he is. Our beautiful Star Child. Our wonderful little Star Child. The light of many of our lives. Certainly the light of my life. Bilbo. Bilbo the boy. Bilbo the cat. He's a good man. Look at that tail go. Yes, this is in his way. This is in his way. And now we have, with skipping a song, this is would be where we usually start. For the folks who weren't here yesterday, thank you very much to everyone who helped fund this. There are now going to be 300 and... No. Yeah, there's going to be 300 and... an amount of them. 300 and... How many? I have forgotten. 308. 308. Unkindly one, thank you very, very much for gifting 5 Tier 1 subs to the community. I hope you're well. It's very generous. Thank you very much indeed. It's very generous indeed. If you like this man, we're going to be playing some GeoGuessr today. And we're going to be continuing our streak of 225. And tomorrow we're going to be doing an IRL stream a bit earlier on, a bicycle stream, which I'm very looking forward to. So if you like to see part of the world that I live in, Belfast in Northern Ireland, do stick around for that. And as soon as we hit the sub goal of 450, we'll have a stream dedicated to this man. Dedicated to him, just playing with him, giving him pets and giving him kisses. If you follow the channel, you get enough Bilbo beans to give this man 3 kisses right off the bat. And Bagala, thank you very, very much for 100 Dreamies. Every bit on this channel goes towards Dreamies for bingo. The more bits, the more Dreamies. We gets a lot. The bike was so fun. It was pretty good. Bike streams are great. Yes, lovely. Bilbo, you're sitting on my mouse. You're sitting on my mouse. He will not be able to join for the bicycle, but he will be here in spirit. I'll see if we can maybe get a catnap cam or something up, you know? It might be nice. And I have... Bill was covered in catnip, by the way. I will bring the plush next time. I will bring the plush. Absolutely. That goes without saying. Absolutely. We're getting started. Very, very quickly today, which I'm certainly not complaining about. I know, Charlie, you have to head on and do some things. I'll see you later if you're around. If you're joining for the first time from Charlie's Raid, welcome. My name's Ellen. This boy's Bilbo, and we've been streaming on Twitch since November 2020. And I mostly play GeoGuessr. It's a result of several lifelong obsessions, including the road signs that you see in the background, which are legit, real road signs, full size. They are all legitimate. Those traffic lights are real. And I know you've just been playing some GeoGuessr as well. I'm also an avid bicycle rider. Not stolen. And the banana is still there. For scale, there's a little banana. Thanks to Danny Lane and chat. How's everybody doing today? Did you have a nice stream with Charlie? Or if you're coming in from elsewhere, have you had a nice day? I hope so. I've had a lovely day so far. Still in Hype Train. Ellen's choice for chat allows, as told by Angela, for the traffic light change. So let's see how much darker it seems like back there. It seems so much darker. I've also changed my lighting today a little bit, but I prefer them all on, so I'm going to be doing that. Thank you very much, everybody, for the lovely Level 3 Hype Train. Please mind the closing doors when leaving the train. Right. Well, I have this man is firmly planted here. So I think he will be joining us for our guessing activity, which is fine. He'll be joining us. Thank you for the folks who are joining, for following the channel as well. My boyfriend booked his plane back to the UK for next month. I'm very happy. Congratulations. I hope all of that goes well. Stripped a lot of waffles today, says Radio UK. Excellent. Glad you had a nice day, Alan. Thank you, Disco King. It was pretty good. It was nice. Did some tidying, some basic tidying. Spent, of course, quite a bit of time with Bingo here. Went to the grocery store. Spent more time with him. Can we guess the boy? I mean, we can guess where he wants to sit next. It's going to be somewhere on this desk because he just loves this desk now because he's right in front of all of us. He loves the closeness to chat. Guess that dirt boy. What shape will he be in, maybe? What shape, maybe? That could work. That could work. Now, you can't see my keyboard because it's all the way over here. It's all the way behind Bilbo. And it's not very accessible from here. So if I'm typing things, I may be a little slower today than I would be otherwise. Maybe a little bit slower. He wants all those chat kisses. He does. I have some Coca-Cola Zero Sugar for this evening. After housework, I felt a little warm for tea. Had some nice curry for dinner. And ready for some GeoGuessr. Ready for some guessing, some geos. Sleepy man, he's been very sleepy. Since he had his dinner a little bit earlier. Bilbo's against accessing keyboards, he is. I mean, there have been more than one occasions when I've had to use the on-screen keyboard to get things done because Bilbo had made the keyboard so inaccessible. But hopefully that won't happen tonight. Having a kitty as a wrist rest could only be improved typing, I guess, but then you would have to lean on his belly, and he doesn't like that. He doesn't like that whatsoever, for better or worse. Let's jump into the GeoGuessr category, shall we? Might be nice to jump in there. And I haven't ran any advertisements today, which I always do during the opening so the people don't get pre-rolls, so I apologise for the people coming in. Our Coke Stevia, I know that's a sweetener, available there. There's a shortage here, unfortunately. I have no idea. This is just standard Coke Zero. I'm not sure what it's sweetened with, actually. I'm not sure. I just know that there's no sucrose in it. And no fructose. No sugars. He's lucky. Yes, he's very lucky. Very, very, very lucky. May I ask for a Laserdisc update? I feel like I haven't heard about him recently. Emma, yeah, you can have a Laserdisc update. He came in not too, like, a couple of days ago. But I was so sleepy and my phone was away charging somewhere, and I didn't really pick up on the fact that he was that I should have got photographs of him. He seems to be doing fine. He seems to be doing absolutely grand. Nothing to complain about there. But to be honest with you, I think the thing that the reason why I'm not seeing him as often is he visits very, very early in the morning time, and I've been working really hard to get my sleep back on schedule. So me not seeing him is probably related to that. Got to turn the hype train off. Please mind the closing doors again. But yes, he's an early worm. But he's still welcome here as long as Bingo's okay with it. But I also think he may be visiting a little less often, because Bilbo does generally seem to be. He's happier, of course, when it's just his home. When it's just his home. Right. Let us. Why is Twitch dashboard crashing? I feel like I say this every single day. Twitch dashboard is having some issues. Okay. To reset the kisses, not reset them. They're not going to be reset. But I need to reset all of my sound alerts.
Can I ask you kind of a weird question?
There we go. That's them all done. Twitch having issues? Never. It doesn't. What about Oblib? I haven't seen Oblib. Anti-Bilbo does not seem to be around as much, but I'm sure he's doing fine. Can I ask you kind of a weird question? Right. Let's go. And since Bingo was here... Oh, I forgot to tweet that. Never mind. Just getting the little tweet out, because Bingo is on stream. And some of his friends like to come in when he's on stream. And then we'll get into some guessing some geos. What was that? Can I ask you a weird question? That was the Ask a Question alert in Channel Points. It's from that weird YouTube video of all of the people like auditioning for something in an empty room, and they all like jump. Honey, you've got a big storm coming. That one. A good one. An old one.
Kind of a weird question.
Can I ask you kind of a weird question? As long as it's respectful, absolutely. It is a bit of a classic, and I for some reason I just ended up on it somehow. I don't need friends, they disappoint me. That's another one from it. It's got a lot of good lines, and for whatever reason, I just saw it on my YouTube, and just put it out of stock with that. Oh dear. Let me. I guess. If I turn it down, it should be back in stock. That's how it works, right? You can tell you can tell I'm good at Twitch. I think so. That should be it now. Alan's alerts are always the best. I try to find some interesting stuff for it. They're not terribly terribly out there. There's some Twitch streamers with extremely inventive alerts, and that is also now. That's another one. That is also now TweetDeck muted. Right, let's get into some guessing, shall we? If you're joining for the first time, first of all, you're very welcome. Hope you're nice and comfortable, or can get what you need to get there to that nice bit of comfort. We're playing GeoGuessr. We are playing a communal game today. Continuing a streak. This is not my streak of 225. This is our streak of 225. Anything you know is very welcome to be used in chat. If you've been somewhere, if you've lived somewhere, feel free to use that information to progress the game. We're playing country streak mode today, which means we only need to know which jurisdiction we are in. Not anything more specific than that, but if you want to flex, feel free to do so. And the one rule that we have really is anything put into chat needs to be from in here, or in Bilbo's case, from in here. No external data sources, no Googling, etc., etc. Other than that, fairly relaxed. 225, yeah, 225, that's our current streak. Is nowhere near our all-time maximum, which stands at 760.
Duck just gifted 1 subs to the Bilbo fan club. Thank you.
JK Duck, thank you very much for gifting a tier 1 sub to Malo Maximus. Enjoy the Bilbos and that lovely, such a lovely noise. Such a lovely oblib noise. KRFSM.
Another month, another sub.
KRFSM, thank you very much for coming back for your 2nd month. It's much appreciated. I hope you're well. Much appreciated. And he's angry. This one hasn't realised just yet, but that is a libelous Bilbo poll from Mallory. If you would like to add an unacceptable nickname to the long and growing list of over 50 now, I think it might be 50 or over 50. This one will be 51. Feel free to suggest them to chat or to the moderators in chat, or if you would like to libel him in another way, you can also do that as well. Let's get into some guessing. Someone suggested Big Bulb a while ago. That's true. Big bulb. This is a big bulb. I love this bulb. Did we get Biblio yesterday? We got the one on the map. We could only see part of it. I can't remember it exactly. Will Bilbo yeet the stream again? Well, he is very close to the... Actually, his paw's on the down button. So if we do go down, that's who's to blame. But hopefully it'll be fine. Hopefully it'll be grand. Where did you get that bulb? Disco King? I got this bulb from a friend called Delia. It's from the 1940s. It was made in Hungary. She's a antiques person. Very interesting. This is by no means the oldest bulb she has, but she had a load of them, and she gave me one of her bulbs. So it's a lovely prop. This is much bigger than the standard Edison screw fixtures. Much bigger than the standard Edison screw fixtures. But I'm a big fan of it. Big fan. I haven't turned it on. It's 300 watts. 300 watts. Does it have who made it on it? Yes, it's Osram. General Electric, GE. Made in Hungary. B6. 240 volts, 300 watts. Yes, it does help me get ideas. But it lives in a glass there. Brillo pad, that's a good idea. It lives in a glass for whenever I get ideas. Let's jump into some geoguessing. By the way, the difference in lighting that I made was so up here, so there's a desk lamp bouncing off the wall there behind the camera, and it's always been there. But there's a light up here, and for some reason I just always had it directly at me, and I was realizing that was making me really fatigued because I accidentally knocked it off axis when I was recording some stuff earlier for work, and I realized, oh, this is so much better, and there we go. So hopefully it works and it looks all right. I just changed the color grading a little bit, but it's a lot less fatiguing, and I've turned my screen brightnesses down as well, so hopefully it's good for being able to stream a little bit more. Right, let's get into our first guesses. Looks great. I'm glad so. I'm glad so. Right, let's get started. Colours look more neutral. They do. They do. Although it's also it's just lower contrast as well. Bilbo's still radiant. He is. There's still pretty heavy saturation addition. Look at my arm there. Actually, I think it might be doubled up at the moment. It's just so he's lovely in orange. Prediction for beans. We can do predictions. We can do predictions. A streak of 169 tonight, or 169. Sorry, 269 tonight. Not to sell ourselves short. Yes. No. And 300 seconds, 5 minutes to predict. So if you would like to lose some big amounts of channel points, feel free to predict, or win a lot more. Feel free to predict whether we will meet a lovely streak of 269 this evening. The boy is in, just got home from a day trip, got to take a shower, believe me a bit, no worries, Leah. Bilbo's a doubter. Oh, you can see Bilbo's no? Oh, so you can. So yes, for those who don't know, Bilbo's fur says the word N-O on it, and he has to be lying in a very specific way. This is one of the ones where you can sort of see him a little bit more. If he's lying completely flat and stretched out, it's a bit more obvious. Leffy Lucy, welcome. Look at that tail. He's got a lovely lemur tail, doesn't he? And his beans are lovely and clean. It's very good. Very, very good. I've been experimenting with different like boxes and stuff as well, so that once we have our like Bilbo play stream, he can have the best possible time. Because I play with him a lot on my own, but you just never really see that because it's really hard to film. But we'll make it happen on stream, and you get to see him like all lively and zoomy and having a lovely time. Let's get, looks like a Solero ice cream. I guess he does. He is a lovely man. Lovely, lovely man. Let's make our first guess. Okay. If you're new to GeoGuessr, first of all, very welcome. We're playing together. So feel free to put any guesses in chat. The new cat tree is coming soon. I spent so much money in cat toys and stuff this month. Excellent. I hope it works out well, Billabine. Well, it looks like we're in the southern hemisphere. Sun's in the north of the sky. We're looking north here on the compass. Sun's up there. We have stripy poles driving on the left-hand side of the road. English text. Are we in Botswana? Mascom operates in Botswana. We've seen that before. I tried to zoom in on the stream. I can do that here, but if we want to zoom anywhere specifically, feel free to ask. Podo's exclusive shoes. Elrond's. And what's this big billboard at the end? We have mobile data. Oh, and we have, I've seen this specific billboard before. You can be a shining example. Drink responsibly. Know when to say Keshapo, Botswana Alcohol Something Association, if I remember correctly. Something Association. Licensors or something like that association. Do we want to guess that Geo for Botswana? Seems pretty distinctive, pretty cut and dry. Okay. Bilbo has got his head in his hands. And I really don't want to upset him, but look at that. Okay, I now have a wire in front of my screen, but it means you get to see the boy from this very lovely close-up angle, which I hope you enjoy. I certainly enjoy it. Let's just get a quick close-up of that. There we go, look at that. You see his dreamies in the background, his catnip spray in the background, and the big bulb in the background. Bilbo says it's too bright, possibly. I love when cats do this. Put their head away in their arms. It's so lovely. So lovely. Right, let's guess at you then for Botswana for our first one. And it's Botswana. Who would have guessed? 226. By the way, about 1 minute left to predict in the streak on the top of the screen. There are 100,000 almost exactly points for believers and 10.3 thousand votes for the doubters. Now this looks kind of North American. We have the sun in the south of the sky. We have CF Industries, medicine, hat, nitrogen, complex. They make medicines, they make hats, they make nitrogens, and they make complexes. Very nice. One way, do not enter. What's the bottle in front of his head? Oh, the little spray bottle. That's catnip oil spray. Yes, Medicine Hat is a city in Canada. We've can I remember where it is? It's around here somewhere, isn't it? Medicine. I remember seeing it. Medicine Hat. And commenting on its uniqueness as a name. Do we want to guess that geo? For Medicine Hat, nitrogen complex. They make complexes of nitrogen in Medicine Hat. I think we can guess that geo. Northern North America. A large electrical infrastructure to supply this as well. Do you mean to tell me this hat is full of medicine? I think it might be. I think it might be. I love when I just see preemptive bans in my chatterino. Always makes me think what's going on. Tickles me. Let's guess that's you. I would go for a different doctor. Maybe so. And we are in Medicine Hat, Canada. Oh, look at that. Look at that big man. Look at that big man. So lovely, isn't he? So nice. Current poll, will Bilbo yeet the stream? I like to think he has a nice time with us, you know. Enjoys our company. He will occasionally twitch a little bit because he's lying on my mouse mat. He's on about 95% of the mouse mat. My hands are brushing up against his fur, and sometimes he twitches because of that. He's almost unbearably cute this close up. Unbearably lovely this close up. He is. He's unbearably lovely at pretty much any range. Whiskers are real and they are fabulous. Exactly right. Okay, another map. Still the Northern Hemisphere, sun's in the south of the sky. Escola. Televisio, it looks like. We have some Spanish. He'll Twitch live on Twitch. He'll Twitch live on Twitch. He will Twitch live on Twitch. That looks like a pretty Spanish no entry sign. Electricidad, Fontanería, Calefacción. It's pretty hard for me to read text because of the webcam cable going across the screen. Waiting for his box bed. He has plenty of box bed already. We have European number plates with the blue stripe. And we have a .es. Bravo advocates.es. Do we want to guess that geo? Do we fancy guessing that geo for Spain? If you're not subscribed, feel free to use the vote yay, vote nay global emotes for the same things, same purposes, for getting that consensus. Catalonia is un gato durmiendo, sorry, sleeping cat. .es must be Estonia. Barcelona. Lovely. Painfully obvious, says Right the OK. 228. Has Wilbur retired from streaming, by the way? No, Wilbur's in the background there. I think he's redeemable now. During the heatwave he wasn't, because I would have died from heat exhaustion. But with the new stream chair, you know, not to brag, but I did get a Herman Miller for Very little money. Very, very little money. It's a lot cooler. He is temporarily unavailable. Yeah, he should be redeemable. Yeah, I was swimming. Kirstia says this is Screaming Denmark. Huh? Huh? That's a Hungarian van. It does have those vibes. I would say it'd have a lot more Hungarian vibes than Danish vibes. Currently. And there's the font that seals its fate. Do we want to guess that geo? 4. Twitch. Let me do this. Never mind. The sign is red and white just like Denmark. That's true. That's true. We have the drainage dishes. We have everything that we need to guess. Hungary. And it is Hungary. 229. During the stream after a stressful time. Borzoi, welcome along. I hope Twitch can be a little less stressful in the rest of your day. We have the sun in the south of the sky. There's a nice cat here, and there's a nice chat here as well. It's hopefully a nice combination. Loch La. Loch La. I'm guessing that's pronounced Loch. And yes, there is the poll is going, and it's 50-50 right now. And there's our answer. Looks like the US or maybe Canada says Iron Irma. And here's our answer. We're in the United States, because in Canada, this would say maximum 50, because it's in kilometers an hour. In the US, it says speed limit. It's on the right-hand side of the road. Do you want to guess that geo? 4. The United States of America. Bilbo officially will not eat the stream tonight. So if we do go offline, it's either Twitch screwing up or it's me screwing up. It's called Irma Pog. That's how I read Iron Irma. Let me know if that's not the correct pronunciation. Right, let's guess that geo. Speed limit. Loch Louisiana. Naughty boy. Naughty boy. 230. I like the pixelated whiskers. Irma's right, cool. Oh yeah, the pixelated whiskers is quite nice. But they're gone. Bilbo's crunchy. That's because Bilbo is... This should be... With our green and white number plates, this should be Nigeria. Let's see where we are. Like the 27 Hurricane or the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles character. Excellent. I can remember that. Okay. To let state agents... Oh, estate agents. State agents means something a little bit different. At least in international law, it's a bit foreboding. God's Banner Tutorial College, Adult Education. I missed the libel poll. What's his unacceptable nickname? Eliminator. No unacceptable nickname this time. We had a different libel poll. And this time it was whether he would eat the stream or not. And astoundingly, chat voted no. The Bilbo will not bring the stream offline today. Which I'm very excited about, because I am looking forward to streaming today. I do enjoy a nice stream from time to time. Including tomorrow's IRL one, as long as the weather doesn't completely go up the left. As it is potentially going to, but hopefully not. We've got a big Heineken sign. We have a car following us. I mean, I feel pretty comfortable as to where we should be, but I'm trying to find some, Okay, we have Islo for our location. Now, placing that. Des Feasible. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you for sharing the B-Boy with us.
It's my pleasure, Disfeasible. Thank you very, very much for resubbing for your second month. Welcome along. I hope you're well. Thank you for returning. We have some friends here, though. They're very nice. Friends of various sizes. Friends of various sizes. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for egg. All very good. Islo Lagos. Do we want to guess that you for the country of Nigeria? The ginger cat as well. This is a big boy. Let's guess that you for Nigeria. And we are in Lagos 231. 231. Sun's in the north of the sky, southern hemisphere. Left-hand side of the road. Yellow yellow edge markings. Bilbo typing in his sleep. It looks like it. His whiskers are. This is something that's wonderful about the new catnap cam, because it's 1080p. You can see his hair. So, actually, no, this is this webcam, but it's also. It's not the. This is the. That's the other web catnap cam, but this is also 1080p. Nice arm, Bilbo. Yeah, it is a nice arm. Okay, Southern Africa. Left-hand side of the road. Vienna Convention style number plates. White and yellow plates. Are we in Eswatini? Swaziland Water Services Corporation? Might be. Same plates here on this truck. Pickup truck. Same as well. Of course, Swaziland was the previous name for present Eswatini. Demi Mami, welcome. So do we want to guess that Geo? Or Eswatini? Heavy vehicles turning. And we have more friends up here. Very nice. Down to Eswatini. Let's guess that Geo. Or Eswatini. And we are slap bang in the middle of Eswatini. 232. 232. Okay. Northern Hemisphere. Is that Greek? That is Greek. That is Greek. Yeah, that's Greek. There's Sigma. There's Delta. There's Kappa. Yeah, that's Greek. Now, is that just in... Oh, there we go. There's some formal signage in Greek as well. Do we think we are in Greek? I think we're in Greece. Now, if you were there for the whole of Charlie stream with GeoGuessr, you may have caught the tip that I dropped in chat about Greek warning triangle signs. And if you can remember it, you should be able to use it here. Don't know, it's all Greek to me. Well, it's all Greek to me as well, which is why I think the guess is pretty reasonable to make. Look at that boy, tucked back in again to his hands, deep asleep. Let's guess that Geo. For Greece, shall we? He's so lovely. He's so, so lovely. So, like, the cat, the Bilbo kissing and playing stream will be probably some of this as well. Just like him enjoying his nap and us like hanging out with him. And then once he's feeling a bit more energetic, playing with his favorite toys like his shoelace, like his with his shoelace, with his catnip toys as well. Have a lovely time. Love my cats and love your cat. I'm glad so, Bean. Thank you, Steel Angel. Right, that's 233. Let's continue. Making decent progress. We've got the sun in the north of the sky, so we're in the southern hemisphere more than likely. Got a black car beneath us. Where do we think we might be? I'm guessing we're in a country that speaks Spanish. Via. That seems to suggest it. And what do we have here? It's blurred. What do we have here? It's still blurred. Precaution. Okay. 300 meters. Nothing terribly descriptive, just warning about speed bumps. Tucked into the crook of his elbow. He's lovely. Got a sleeping hamster next to me. Excellent. Also sounds like a good buddy to have. Fairly nondescript plates through those. Pension center. Do we have any guesses? To be fair, I don't think he realizes his he is a hamster. I'm not that skilled in hamster culture to comment on that. I thought sleeping streams weren't allowed on Twitch anymore. As long as somebody in the stream's awake, I think it's fine. I think if somebody. Villa doesn't necessarily imply Spain. Well, we're not in Spain. Definitely not in Spain. Just a Spanish-speaking country, more than likely, with those plates as well. He's pressed right up against my right thumb on the mic. Sorry, on the mouse. MK asks, everyone who has a cat, please reveal the cat name. That is a good idea. Also, MK is the owner of a lovely... Yes, this is definitely Spanish. The owner of a lovely orange boy, similar to Bilbo. Now, is that just a miss? I think that's a missing plate. Kiosk, drinks, bebidas, Wibble. Cat is called Encyclopedia Frown. Some good names. Asher Bear and Vive. Some very good names, to be honest. Pippa. Yes, these are all excellent names. My cat's Bilbo, to add that. Nox is such a good cat name. Nox is a pretty good cat name. Oh, we have a wave. No plates, unfortunately. No passe. Okay. It would have been nice to be able to read, any road signs that have relevance to what we're trying to guess. However, we've seen this sign before. Noodle is also good. Yeah, that's good. Cat is also Ginger. Arthur, excellent. All very good. Squella number 12, and pretty typical signage. Child about to throw a brick. It's the warning school sign, believe it or not. Here's another one for the other direction. This is the school sign. That's what that means. Okay. This is like the most frustrating road. Yeah, there's different schools. I discovered a sign like that in Argentina, Escuela number, and then, yeah, we definitely have seen those before. The only difficulty is we haven't seen a single Argentinian number plate. And some of the other signs they would have to be strange. I mean, the plates that we've seen don't have either the... They don't have the blue stripe, which is the new style of number plate, and they also don't have the white, black, white horizontal stripes. Evening, A Falls, welcome. Glad you're able to have dinners out. That sounds lovely. What count are we on towards 69? We're currently on 233. 233. 233. See, now that's, I guess, a possibility for that one. Thought there was an arse plate on a parked vehicle earlier, Sean. If so, I must have missed it, because I've been, at least thought I was looking pretty closely. Because Argentinian plates are quite obvious a lot of the time. Okay, there's no plate on that front one. On the rear? Yeah, that's definitely not an Argentinian number plate. Definitely not. The motorcycle plates are also quite distinct. And that is not one of them. We also don't have any of the typical markers we would expect on Argentinian roads. The road markings themselves are a bit off for Argentina. Bilbo has moved. They really are made of liquid to be able to do that with their arms. He heard me. Sorry. Okay, here's the peelers. Now that from here looks like a very obvious Argentina plate. Are we in that weird part? Yeah, that's definitely Argentinian place. Are we in that weird part really far north? That has the weird... Yeah, there's the black square in the center, the two stripes top and bottom. Now that's the police, so that's definitely a car from within the country. Do we want to guess that geo? Here's a special one. Here's a special one. I see this a lot when I wake up. It's a little gift. A little gift. From us to you. Do we want to guess that geo for Argentina? We have a horse as well. Yeah, now we're getting the obvious Argentina number plates. Let's guess that geo. Yeah, it is that weird bit of northern Argentina. 234. Very nice. Okay, we've got some big boy pylons. I thought it was going to be flat field Friday, but it's not. There's a bit of a valley here. He's moved a wee bit away again. Arrived to a full screen fluff ball. What a blessing. Welcome along, Martio. Where do we believe we are? We are in the northern hemisphere. At any rate, we've got bluebells on our left. We have what looks like Bebange, a French, ahead of us. Bebange. Accept local desserts. That might be an unacceptable nickname. Do we believe we are in France? Do we think we are in Belgium? Another place to Bebange. Belgian sign says IKB. The language is definitely French, of course. Habergerby and Gulf. Strikes me as like a kind of Dutch sounding name. Those look too good to be Belgian. Now. Stop being mean to Belgium. Now, those plates are both yellow. And we have these white and yellow reassurance markers. Now, do we think, and here's some white ones as well, there's a tiny bit up near the French border that is effectively French Flanders, so it could be Dutch derived place names, I guess. Could be. Stop being mean to Belgium quote request. We can have that. We can have that as a treat. Do we think we are in Lux? Do we think we're in Belgium? Yeah, Dutch road signs do not look like that whatsoever. Now we have the balance of vehicles have white plates. These two behind us still have yellows though. What do we have here? More yellows. More yellows. Do we feel ready to guess that geo? Or do we want more information? Emma, good night. Thanks for joining. Those were white with red. These reassurance markers are white and yellow. However, I'm looking at this route confirmation sign, and we have N roads, which helps us to decide or to clarify. So for N roads, we can expect Belgium, yes. Luxembourg, no. France, no also. Switzerland, definitely no. Do we want to guess that geo for Belgium? The N870. We're not going to find the N870, more than likely. It being three numbers. Yeah, we're definitely not going to find it. Doesn't feel flat enough to be French Flanders. French Flanders needs to be flatter than this. Good argument. Oh, the number plates. They are with white and red. We can clarify that if we want to. We absolutely can. These ones are the two yellows. Where's our other vehicles? I'm not sure if we're going to get them specifically, but those look like they're red behind it. Let's guess that geo for Belgium, and we are slap bang in that part of Belgium. Lovely. 235. This has an energy about it. I'm not sure what energy about it, but it has an energy about it. European plates with a country. Is that an LT? That might be an LT. Is this weird sort of semi-urban Lithuania? We've had stranger maps. That is the old format. That is definitely the old format. LV to use. Okay, let's get a closer look. Oh yeah, I can see LV. I can see LV. See LV more than LT. Should be signs here that answer. That's definitely Latvia over Lithuania. Can confirm there are actually cities in Lith. Oh, there are, yeah, too. I wish we got more urban maps in Lithuania. Got to see more of the cities. This style design, this sign design, I will never fully get on board with, I don't think. Bilbo is shy tonight. Very shy. Now, are we going based on just that car? Do we want more information? Just teleport it back here. There's a lovely flower bed though, which is quite nice. I don't think we're in Riga right now. Maybe on the same side of the country. But other than that, we should get the font here from, and I think that's the Latvian font, all right. Unmistakable. Yes, please do be quiet when you're typing. My boy is trying to sleep. He's trying to have a relaxing time. Please respect this. Do we want to guess that geo? For Latvia? He's just so lovely. So lovely. And here's our gravel roads. Let's guess that geo, shall we? For Latvia. And we are in Latvia. 236. 236. Northern Hemisphere once more. We're surrounded by trees. We're on a gravel road. We're up pretty high by the looks of it. Enjoying this background music? Also, I'm glad so. It's quite nice. And MK, thank you very, very much for subscribing with a brand new fresh subscription. Welcome along. Enjoy the bilbos and the lack of advertisements, etc. Much appreciated. We will have our bilbo spoiling stream in no time at all. Tropical Iceland. Iceland with this many trees. Okay, let's see where we are, shall we? We have GLRT. That's not terribly legible. Not terribly legible. Guess we're hoping that we come across some... Oh, there we go. There's our answer. Speed limit 25. We're in the United States of America. With signage like that. I wonder where in the US of A we are. I'm very bad at North American geography. What's the joke? What do you do if you're lost in the woods in Iceland? Stand up. Very good. And there's our stars and bars. Is that what you call it? No, that's the bad one, isn't it? Stars and stripes. God. Stars and stripes. Oregon? Could be a lot of it, honestly. Yeehaw, partner. Definitely not stars and bars. Yes, that's the bad one. That's the bad one. As soon as I said it, I was like, yeah, no, that's not right. That's not right. Oh, Bilbo, please get your head off my mouse. Oh, we have a standing man. Okay, now you're really up close and personal with the cat. You were kind of in his fur a little bit. He's sitting on the camera. Yes, it is the Confederate flag. Stars and bars. Right. Stars and stripes. It's a pity the rhyming one is the bad one. Let's guess that geo for the United States of America, which is where we are. Where were we? New Mexico, Albuquerque. Near Santa Fe. Very nice. They were just walking through the screen at this point. Yeah, he's having a lovely time. Bad ones, both bad ones, to be honest. Yeah, that's true. 237. You can see some of the no in his fur. Pretty good. Little white socks. Oh. You have some catnip stuck in your fur. This organic catnip really doesn't look like catnip. Long Arms Ellen. Oh, we're back to Long Arms Ellen. Excellent. Try to get it matched up. There we are. No. I need to work it out somehow. We've got a belly though. Okay, let's work out where we are. We've got Gen 2 camera. We have Northern Hemisphere. We've got winter coverage. Winter sort of autumn coverage. Springtime. PMux. PMX 79, thank you very much for resubbing. Twitch. Thank you very much for resubbing for 2 months at tier 1. Resubbing for your 3rd month. Resub for 2 months ahead. I wish Twitch made this easier to say. Thank you very much. It's much appreciated. Boing. Saint Boing. We're in France. Because we have the D road number. Saint Boing. New nickname. That is a pretty good one, to be honest. Wonder right now, says Lucy, that's very understandable. Saint Boing is oh, it's boinked, sorry, just boinked on its own. Do we want to guess at you for France? D road numbers are the, well, they form the majority of routes within France. There we go. There's the A roads for the big ones. And the D roads for the little ones. And he's angry for some reason now. We have a moose in the chat. Oh my god, welcome along. I have no idea what the right way to pronounce boinked is. Boinked. Boinked. And they use the D road numbers. Terrible. Are we guessing this geo? Are we guessing this geo? For France. A little kiss on the head. And Libby.
Twitch baby. Cat. Cat. Cat.
Congratulations on our Twitch baby. Libby, thank you very much for resubbing for your 9th month. Welcome along. I hope you're well. We have a bingo. By the way, if we so cozy. If anyone, there's our colonialist zoom out. 238. Bread free stream. That for him. What's the rarest country on GeoGuessr? I guess it depends on the game mode. Yellow backgrounds. Is that a stop with 2 P's? The rarest countries on GeoGuessr are the ones you can't get, I guess. And the country with the least... it's just... Korea, right? North Korea that has the least amount of coverage, because it's... There are a lot of countries that are just photospheres. Well, not a lot. There's a number of countries that are just photospheres. But North Korea has such limited coverage. There's our font. Iran. There's definitely a lot more photospheres in Iran, to my memory. It's very Nordic. Yes, it does. And that, to me, looks like the Swedish font. Northern Sweden towards Norway, says Sif. Pray tell, how warm and soft is the boy head right now? Boy head, very soft, quite warm. Quite warm, but very soft. He's always pretty soft. Always pretty soft. Do we want to guess that you for Sweden? And there's our undeniable proof in our speed limit signs. Is there North Korea coverage? It's just photospheres that private individuals have taken, but they're very limited. And they're pretty much just in Pyongyang. Shall we guess that geo for Sweden? Northern Sweden, to be exact. Turkmenistan has very few as well, that's true. Actually, yeah, Turkmenistan might have fewer. It might have fewer. I'm not sure. Let's guess that geo, shall we? Can I get around your little ear, honey? 239, Northern Sweden. Okay. Southern Hemisphere now. Just pour myself a little drinky. He's so precious, he is. He is. Oh, sorry, honey. Sorry. Pacific states like Tuvalu and Nauru. I think there's some coverage there as well. Not official coverage, though. There's a lot of countries without official coverage. Okay, Southern Hemisphere, by the looks of it. So cozy. We have... Yeah, some of the Pacific Islands would probably be the countries with the least coverage. The ones without coverage anyway. Okay, we have Vienna Convention style road signs on the left hand side of the road. And we have white and red chevrons, which are very indicative of South Africa. Remax balloon. Yes, we did have the private one, the private signage for Remax postage on one of the buildings back there. I think the gates of hell in Turkmenistan has more photospheres than all of North Korea. It's not like... Turkmenistan isn't a country I've really looked at on Street View. Or on Google Maps, to be honest. I've looked at it once or twice. But not recently. I have to look. Adam Ryder, welcome along. Hope you're well. We have a big boy. If you're returning, here we go, a big boy. On stream tonight. He's lovely. He's very lovely. Okay, a big, really long, straight road. Desk-based cat cam now? Yep. This is the non-desk-based one. It's over there behind me. We're in his house with his catnip toys. But I have 2 catnap cams now. I will have more catnap cams on the current sub goal for the Bilbo playing and snoozing stream. I will have probably upwards of 6 cameras, all doing different things. Pretty much every device. Pretty much every device I can muster will be doing something or other for that, which should be fun. White and green plates. Look at this. Look at this. By the way, he's very happy if you just like gently touch his nose when he's snoozing like this. I'm just very gently touching his nose. And it's so soft. It's so lovely. It's genuinely I am genuinely very blessed, of course, to have this man, this boy in my life. Want to hold his hand like this? Like this, you mean? Want to hold his hand like this? What about both of them at the same time? Gentle. I'll hold his hand. I'll hold his hand. Send beam. Okay. Map, please give us something that isn't just a completely... a road that's not connected to anything else. Please. Automod. Automod has suggested the word put is to be automodded now. Strange. I'm sure there's a machine learning reason for that. We have a mini buildcast now as well. Damn Plats, that is Afrikaans. Do we want to guess that geo? For South Africa. Yeah, Automod is being Automod. It's not exactly new for Automod to be doing that. Okay, honey. Doesn't want his hands held. Hold his other hand. Yes, yellow boundary marker is also quite South Africa. I finally have a cat of my own now, but her purr is nothing compared to Bilbo's. Yeah, Bilbo's purr is pretty loud and pretty sustained as well. It's pretty sustained. He's embarrassed. He's embarrassed. Will he allow a hand to rest upon his belly? Like this? Very light pressure. Very light pressure. Are we guessing that geo then, chat? Do we want to guess that geo for South Africa? Oh, I can feel his belly gurgling a little bit after he's eating his dinner, just before stream. Very cute. Can you play Jenga on him? I don't think he would allow some Jenga on him. He's not the most peaceful man when it comes to things that are easily toppled over being built very close to him. I had him being shredded at this point. Bilbo is very Bilbo will play sort of. Oh, this is the most annoying map. This is the most annoying map. Are we guessing that geo? Do we want indisputable proof, or are we happy? I'm happy at this point. Oh, it's always right there. It's always right there. Isn't it? There we are. That schooled us. Let's guess that geo, shall we? For South Africa. 240. 240. Northern Hemisphere. This feels like winter. I once got a map that moved me backwards and was tilted. We've had those as well. Comfort break? Yes, we'll have a comfort break at past. Bulgaria? Bulgaria could possibly be. I think we're a little bit further north than that. Specifically, I think we are in more than likely Finland. Oh, there we go. There's our Finnish speed limit sign. And this should be yellow backed too. And it's yellow backed. Is that a street name sign? It is, and that is Finnish. Do we want to guess that geo? For Finland. This feels like the northeastern US to me, but I could be wrong. I thought that initially, like for the first little bit, but it's definitely Finland. That's what we have now. Finland. Very nice. 241. This is like Australia or South Africa. Okay. We have sun at the top of the sky. The very top of the sky. This bracing style always makes me think South Africa. Early guess New Zealand, says Emma. Stop. Those stop signs don't look like New Zealand ones to me. Let's see. It's these big gates and stuff. Also, those plates work for South Africa. These big gates and every house having like a security system. You know? Area agent. It's unreadable. Here's a giveaway sign. Oh, wow. Wait 1 second. Okay, they just made the sign upside down. Just made the sign upside down. That's definitely one for the screenshot. Yeah, the gates in the soulless architecture. That's the way it should be there. That's the way it should be. Maruela Avenue, Bendor Avenue. This feels like a very sort of a very well-to-do part wherever we are. Could be like fancy Joburg or fancy Cape Town. Do we want to guess that you for South Africa? Bender what? RGP, welcome along. Be going for it. I was gonna say rich, yeah, it is. It's a well off part of the world. A well off part of this city anyway. With probably a relatively interesting history as to who lives here. This is just endless suburbia. But there we go, there's our South African chevron signs. Australia? No, we're definitely not in Australia. Not with these signs. We have Vienna Convention style signs. Definitely Vienna Convention style, which rules out Australia and New Zealand, which use the US-based style designs. Oh, this is just the... It all looks exactly the same. Apart from this looks cool. This housing, this roofing, sorry, looks very nice. Building in general looks very nice. That's the exception. Let's guess that's you, shall we? Enjoy that. Call me Kimi. I'll try to remember that. Oh, it's Ladderhat if you use your name. I will try to remember that. South Africa. And it was... Yeah. Nigel learned, like, really far south suburbs of Joburg. 242. 242. I just can't get over how comfy this chair is compared to the other one. It's nice, you know? It's nice. Okay, we're back in a hemisphere. Heathen Claire, thank you very much for your brand new fresh subscription, for choosing that one and only channel, that one and only Prime on my channel as well. Welcome along. I hope you're well. Is this the Philippines? Nope, it's Thailand. That's Thai script. I see concrete road, I think Philippines. It works some of the time. That's Thai. And we can't see the plates on the bike, but that's fine. Early guess Ecuador. Not this time. Her Miller chairs are nice. Yeah, I bought a refurbished Aeron at the beginning of all of this when I realised I needed to work from home. Yeah, it is nice. This is also a refurbished Aeron. It's like there's no way I could afford anywhere close to a new one at all. My previous chair wasn't bad at all. Like it's a decent chair. It's designed for security guards. It's pretty supportive. It's nice, but it's just so warm. It's so warm. And for some reason streaming makes me warm. So this apartment's really hot as well. So it was just a better thing to have it at the office and this one here. We have white plates. And we're driving on the left hand side of the road, of course. Do we want to guess that you for Thailand? If it helps you Feel like you're ready to guess. We are in Thailand. Gotta watch out for the sleeper louse. Yes. Well, we're on the left side of the road here and we have white plates. So we should not be in Laos. Does anyone notice both cams nearly match up? Yes. Long arms Ellen here is... I'll be able to work it out at some... There we go. There's a big long arm. One big long arm. It's pretty good. I think all the tech companies around me went bust several years ago. They missed out on the cheap air-ons. Yeah, mine was a office liquidation thing, and it was a business going out of sale and out of business, I think. And this air-on specifically, and the batch that they had was this Herman Miller was from an office that very shortly after they were bought, they all went remote, so it's been used very little. So other than like having some dust that took a bit of effort to vacuum out of it, it's absolutely fine. It's not like heavily worn in any way, really. Pretty good. Aeron was cheap compared to new, but not bargain basement. Still so worth it. They're so nice. So lovely. Big fan. And it's just not being overly hot all the time is great. Between that and changing my lighting so that it's not like fatiguing, excellent choices. Been making recently for some reason. All by accident, of course. Never deliberately. Thailand. And we are in Thailand. 243. Love to be a long arm streamer stroking a good boy. Oh, there's such a... There we are. There we are. Very silly. Sitting all day for work and it never gets uncomfortable. It's so good. Yes, they are good. I've made my one very springy, so it helps me get up as well. So like when I take my weight off, it comes with. It's excellent. Never had a chair like that before. 243. Thank you, map, for displaying yourself. Oh, okay. Left-hand side of the road. This feels very... I mean, sycamore trees. This feels very, yeah. Yeah, this is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Works. On the right hand, on the wrong side of the road. Do we want to guess that geo? For the UK. We've got horrible yards. Guess the country. Little France Drive, we're in France. Green Dykes Road, we're in the Netherlands. Craigmillar Castle, we're in Scotland. But we do have a big boy looking mountain over there. No, we're in Scotland. Edinburgh adjacent, yep. Let's guess that geo for the UK. Didn't know the UK used yards instead of meters. Yes, it's awful. United Kingdom. Scotland. 244. 244. I wonder where this could be. I wonder where this could be. Arhatchik. Arhatchik with non-Czech style signage. This must be specifically... Oh, this is non-national standard. .cz. Bruno, do we think we are in Czechia? .cz. .cz.
Happy
Ferryman.
new comfy chair stream.
Ferryman, thank you very much for resubbing for your 5th month. Happy new comfy chair stream. It is pretty good. We can check. We've checked, and we've checked it's Czechia. Let's guess that you for Czechia. Thank you very much, though, Salaryman. Welcome along. I hope you're well. Czech Republic. And we are 245. Let's take a little break. Let's take a little break. I'm going to get refreshed, run to the bathroom, and I'll be back shortly. If you're not subscribed, you'll miss a little bit of bingo. Snoozing here, although we may get up when I get up. We're not just here yet. But I'll see you back just in a little bit of a minute. Don't go anywhere for too long. Get refreshed, get whatever you need. BRB.
Mate, that's my star. Break rules, bend mics. World is your stage, this is opening night. No need for the fright of getting it right. Just go for your goal, is to go to the light. Never stay trapped in a race for a rap. Back, all your backs and don't give a black. Stop, just go for the love. It'll come from above like chocolate doves. The man on the moon, he sings to your soul. It's just a kiss from the sun. Help him to grow. Open up your mind and everything. No, spread your wings and fly, car.
That's what you are, that's what you are. My beautiful star child. You are the light and the hope of
And that's what he is to all of us. And that's, of course, what he is to all of us. Our beautiful star child. STAR. I hope you're nice and relaxed or nice and refreshed. We're back. I thought I would make the cat nap cam a little bit bigger for you all. I will also be making it actually align with the rest of the user interface elements there at another date. We're back to guessing. Starboy. That's playing with fire there, but we'll see. God, that is playing with fire. That is playing with fire. He's getting this. I have my mouse pad back at least, which is nice. You're gonna take chunks out of my t-shirt now, honey. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. You keep grabbing it. He keeps grabbing my t-shirt. There we go. As long as the claws are out of it, it's fine. It's like playing with fire on Twitch. Not ideal. It's very attached to you. Yes, for better or worse. With all due respect, honey, please wise up a little bit. 245. 245. Well, that's the Romania flag in our face. And that's Romanian in our face. This is right, Ellen, I guess so. Now, you may notice he has put his rear foot on my finger, on my thumb. If I move this, he didn't that time. But sometimes when he does that, he takes that as a manufactured reason to Bilbo, please. As a manufactured reason to hit me. 4 Bilbos. Oh, you are seeing 4 Bilbos. Yes, here's his head here. Do we want to guess that geo for Romania? Do we think we're in Romania? The answer is yes. And here is our red shield. Confirming we are indeed in Romania. My cat bites, oh dear. Bilbo really only play bites. At least with people he knows. What a fool I've been. I took slightly too long getting my Bilbo coloured squash and missed an entire geo. We're still in the geo. We're still in the geo. Of course, Dragostea Dente. Song of the Summer, if you haven't heard it. Very good Romanian song. Slap bang in the middle. 426. 426. Right hand side of the road. Getting a lot of these sorts of long road maps today. We have agriculture. Temperate climate by the looks of it. And we have, can we get much closer to this? Dragostea is Moldovan. Is that just a myth then? That's just perpetrated its way across the internet? If so, I'm more than happy to correct that. What are our guesses as to where? The language is Romanian, I see. The language is Romanian. That's probably where, but from Moldova. Bilbo, please. Now this. That's a Russian sign, sorry. Not a Romanian sign, that's a Russian sign. By the looks of it. That is a learning. that is chat and I certainly learning. Big time today on that one. All play my plates. Do we want to guess that geo for the Russian Federation? Although some of those signs look like they are Lithuanian. We have all white plates. We have the wrong markers. These are Russian markers. They speak Romanian but write with Cyrillic. Of course, yeah, of course. And there's a little sneaky uncensored Russian plate. Don't think they do this drill like so much anymore, if I remember correctly, says Afalz. We're all learning a lot. Let's guess that Geo. For Russia. Very nice. North of Mongolia, 247. 247. We're in Flexport. Flexport. Kinley Avenue, 139th Street. That's a big American flag in the background. I spent quite a lot of time on their official electoral website for recent elections. Christmas map. Yeah, this is sort of telling with the big American flag. Spooky. Do we think we might be in the United States of America? Do we think we might be in the United States of America? I wonder what we're going to have. There's the US dot numbers. Let's guess that Geo. Whereabouts in the US, though? I know we don't need to know, but I'm not sure where this would be. Florida, maybe? Just looking at the trees and stuff. Florida or California. You can tell I know a lot about America. We've any USPS fans and everything. Let's see where we are. California, maybe? It is California. LA, home of all the Twitch streamers. Offensively wide streets, yes, very offensively wide street. Los Angeles, very nice. Willowbrook, Compton, in LA, 248. It's a nice number. A very nice number. Oh, this is Indonesia, Malaysia. LG Leeling Limited. Beautiful downtown Burbank, California. Black plates, white text. Van has seen some better days. This is a curious, like, it's got a curious vibe of it in terms of like the part of the city we're in. It's interesting. Very interesting. Malaysia probably, yeah. Definitely leaning that way in the balance of things. And hopefully with... Oh, we're not in we're in Indonesia because Malaysia is that way. Do we want to guess that you for Malaysia? Not all good streamers are from LA, some live in Belfast. Thank you. And we have AWAS or AWAS, Malay for caution or danger. Do we want to guess that you for Malaysia? These shopping centres are very strange, usually pretty barren. Interesting. Yes, an interesting vibe to it. Interesting vibe to it. Curious. Let's guess that you for Malaysia. And we are in Malaysia. Sarawak. Kuching. Cat City. Another Cat City map. It's quite nice. 249. This is pretty. This is very pretty. I kind of need to put my elbow there, but Bilbo will not allow me. Yeah, Sarawak makes sense given the vibe, definitely. This is aggressively alpine. Yeah. Slovenia? Look at this man. Look at this boy, though. Oh. Limit reached. Limit reached. We have some friends at least. We have some lovely friends here. See, we have up here. Full Screen Bingo still has the plush ad, does it? There we go. Was that just a ploy to get another Full Screen Bingus? It worked. That was German there, I think. Ear Alp. I was going to say Poland vibes. Be the hilliest bit of Poland. Austria, maybe? Possibly. Wait, the cows have bells here. I definitely saw a cow with a bell. Needs more cow bell though, because some cows don't have bells. I definitely saw a cow with a bell. Did some of you see a cow with a bell? Cow meta. Now these look Swiss to my eyes. And those are Swiss plates. Actually, can we see the... Yep, you can see the little crest there. Look like a big bell. A big bell. No, let's take a look directly at this. The post. Drasser without the double S, yep. Oh, I like these. That looks nice. Yeah, this feels quite Swiss. Some of these houses are very cute. They are. Looks like a lovely part of the world in general, to be honest. Big bell would be another big plus. It would be. A flag. Does anyone know anything nice about... Trying to be a better angle. Nope. Does anyone know anything nice, anything good about Switzerland? The front of this, the front number plate on this vehicle, if it is Swiss, would be nice and short and plain white. Short, plain white. And it is. Did we want to guess that you for Switzerland? There it is. There's the cow with the bell. There's the cow with the bell. Let's guess that's you. For Switzerland. I click on Slovenia by accident. Wanted to be cowbell meta. Ding, ding, ding. Switzerland. 250. That's a nice number as well. Nice and round. Just like this man here. 250. This feels a bit further north. A bit further north. Cowbell's a big plus. Nissan Micra. It's a good car. Is that an I and an A at the end of that? We got burned, we did. Burned badly on that previous map. Had this map before, says Yuri. Mm-hmm. Unless this part of the world has floated away and drifted off, then we should be in the same location. There we go. Standard European plates. Plenty of boats about as well. Honey, you're gonna rip the threads out of this t-shirt. And then I'm gonna have to put less Twitch money towards your fancy food and more Twitch money towards more very high designer black t-shirts that are all from Tesco. Bill he doesn't care, no. He doesn't care. Do we think we're in Finland? Think about the cost. As long as he's cozy, as long as he's comfy, he's happy. And I'm happy too. As long as he's cozy, I'm happy. Definitely finish. Let's guess at you. Shall we? Are we ready? See, he wants to press his arms up against something when he sleeps, which is fine. By the way, he loves sleeping like this. With like your hand on his back. It's very nice. Just like that. He's a big fan of that one. He really is baby. He really, really is baby. He's such a big baby. Little tail flicks as well. Little end fifth of it. It's very nice. Let's guess at you. For Finland. And we're in Finland. 251. 251. Is this double Finland? It is. Feels like we didn't move. It's double Finland. With those signs. We get some language as well. S-A-U-R, that's Finnish. E-N-T-I-E, that's Finnish. Do we want to guess at you for a second time for Finland? Finland Day. I was here for Russia Day a couple of streams ago. Yeah, we often... I think we've still got other countries more than Finland today. But let's guess at you once more for Finland. And we're in the same part of Finland as well. 252. 252. And this should be Russia. This should be Russia. Pretty far east Russia, I guess. There's our Russian road numbers. And our black feet. On the signs. Cyrillic, of course. All the typical signings we'd expect to see. And on this truck, we have a completely uncensored... Honey! A completely uncensored number plates with the characteristic small, big, small superscript numbers and letters. Do we want to guess at you for Russia? He's such a nuisance. Such a nuisance. He's got a forearm pillow now. He's nice and relaxed anyway. At any rate, he's nice and relaxed. I'm very happy for him. Let's guess at you, shall we? For Russia. Oh, actually, I was expecting like over this end of Mongolia. Cool. 253. 253. White and yellow. Northern Hemisphere. Is that French? Does that say Rue? It does say Rue Saint-Pierre. We have some French. Baguette. Standard EU plates. Is that some red behind that? Are we in another Belgium? Oh, we have holy poles though. We do have holy poles and decent bicycles. Double blue there, which can be parts of France. What are you doing, honey? Hey? Floating baguette's amazing. It is. If you type the right stuff in chat, you can really go overboard with the baguettes. as people do from time to time. Give him a kiss. A little kiss. Okay. Lille, 39 kilometers. 39k from Lille. Where do we think we might be? Oh, he's there's a lot of his hair floating about in candy cane tail. Yes, it's lovely tail, lovely tail. 39k from Lille. I wonder where we could be. He's away. A little kiss. Yeah. Right on the border. We have, Belgian flag. We have a Belgian flag. We have question mark for that. And what limited signs we've seen do suggest Belgium. Or Belgian flags. Do we want to guess at Geo? Or Belgium?
Thanks Bingo for hanging out. Enjoy your adventures away from cat camp.
Be not be it. Thank you very much for 100 dreamies. Bingo should be on cat cam. He's eating some dinner right now. I don't mean like he ought to be, but I mean he's eating some dinner right now. And once he's got his dinner in him, he'll probably be back up here. But more than likely he'll be in his box. So I'll turn back to the normal catnap cam, so that if he's there, you'll see him first and foremost. Let's guess at Geo for Belgium. We are in Belgium, 254. Not bad. Not bad at all. Are those seeds? That's catnip. So, as part of Pilpo's birthday gifts, he was sent some loose catnip. It's so strong. It's like the catnip equivalent of really dank weed or something, but it's so strong. Just a guy who enjoys the drugs. Yes, loose catnip. He's a big fan of it. So there's some of that in his box. So that's what that is. That's what that's for. He's a fan of it. Right, where do we think we are? We've got a dusty road. Looks pretty flat. We have techniques in electrical poles that I'm not sure I enjoy. Not sure I enjoy that. Do we think we're in the Baltics? Do we think we're further east? That looks all white there. On those plates. The blurring's getting us there. Oh, actually, anything here? Yep, as expected, that is Cyrillic. Are they all like that? No, they're not all like that, but the ones that, like a lot of the ones that have these, the support columns, actually not those ones. Where's another example of it? These here. Like it's a strange technique, but seems to be pretty common. Here's another one. Unusual. Unusual. But, you know, I guess if it works, it works. All white plates. You know, to me, that looks like a Russian plate. Because I can see some small letters there, small characters. Small, big, small, big. Is this, yet again, Russia? I think it could well be. Could well be. Looks like they ordered half the polls too short. It does, yeah. We do have some friends, though. We're getting spoiled with friends today. Really are getting spoiled with friends today. Very nice. Goose. Where do we think we might be? See if we can snipe any of these plates. It's unlikely. Did you just see him walk through there? I feel like the poles needed to be higher, but they didn't want to get rid of the wood. Possibly. Possibly. Or there was a ground issue or something like that. That's also a possibility. He's got his catnip banana. To enjoy now, which is nice. Do we want to guess that geo for? Do we want to guess that geo for the Russian Federation? See if we can get. I'm not seeing any Ukrainian like telltale signs on any of these plates, to be honest with you. That looks like a Russian plate to me. Bulky says, guess that geo. I'm pretty happy to. Do we have any dissenters asking us to wait, or are we happy to guess? Bananas. Some nice architecture around here, for sure. Got a vibe about it. It's nice. There we go. There we go. Small, big, small, big. That's definitive 2 examples of clear Russian plates. Let's guess that geo for Russia. We are in Russia. Over Kazakhstan this time. 255. 255. Okay. French. Getting a lot of French today. We're getting a lot of Russia today and a lot of French today. Just looks like we get a lot of Belgium today. La Forêt. Vonde. An urban map. Was that a .fr? That was a .fr. EGIP.fr. Do we want to guess that geo? For French. Rhinoceros. Where it is happy hour. Can we get Big Bilbo for a second? We have had a lot of Big Bilbo. There's 1 second of Big Bilbo. Let's guess that geo for France. Very nice. 256. Oh, okay. I mean, it's another one. But at least we do get this cool bridge. We do get the cool bridge. It is beautiful. Really, really nice. So, I wonder where we are. Do we think we are yet again in Russia? I mean, with that uncensored plate at the beginning. Another one. Oh, bingo's here. Oh dear. He's suspicious. He's suspicious. Man of many boxes. He does have many boxes. He has a lot of boxes. So here's our Russian plate end there. Do we want to guess that Geo? Sam the Mango? Cicelo Bilbo? Take it to the 50 Dreamies. Sam? Sam says hello, Bilbo. Let's guess that Geo. For another Russia. Yet again north of Kazakhstan. 257. 257. Right. Leggy up real far. Yeah, really getting those 7 in tonight. Another Greece. Another Greece. He's giving himself a leg bath right now. Which is very nice. God, there's just catnip everywhere from his adventures earlier today. What a lovely map as well. Definitely feels Greece as well. Some very hard maps tonight. Yes, very hard maps tonight. Very difficult. Some of them are real head scratchers. There's our yellow background, just to confirm. Greece. 258. 258. Okay. I am looking forward to stuff like this not being as much of a thing. We do have our snorkely friend, though. We do have our snorkely friend. Do we think we're in Kenya? Do we think we're in Kenya? And do we want to guess that Geo? Yellow plates in the back, white plates in the front. Can you guess that Geo? Can you double check to be sure? I can. Let's guess that Geo. For Kenya. 259. That means we are 10 away. 1-0 away. One zero away from our prediction of 169. 269, sorry. So we'll bring that back. Did that go through? I clicked the resize one, the resize buttons thing, and it moved it to the place where the show prediction button was. Okay. That was an accident. That was an accident. So, let's make sure we actually get it now, okay? I do apologize for that. Let's make sure we actually get it. That's a big eye. That's a big eye. Is this turkey? It feels like turkey. That's how it goes sometimes. Yes. No, I do apologize for that. Not my intentions. So note to self, move that button to where that cannot happen. So we need to get 10 correct. 10 correct. Okay. So, big eye. That's, oh no, that's Italian. There. That's Italian. That's Italian. The double C's. Just the big eye. Those debating away. All white plates. Could be, Sardinia could be somewhere else. Let's see. This is a cute little thing here. Quite like that. All white plates. All white. No plates at all there. Stanya. Hilly enough to be San Marino? Well, it is hilly enough. We'd expect... Actually, yeah, that could be an SM plate there. Potentially. Does that say RSM? I think that does say RSM. That does say RSM. Do we want... Yeah, there's bollard spam as well. That does say RSM. Do we want to guess that geo for San Marino? Bilbo wants to play with the boxes. Okay. We can't trust a single car, no. 2 on the other hand? Yeah. Let's guess that geo for San Marino. San Marino? 260. 9 to go. 8 to go. 261. Just those bricks. Those bricks. It's just always the bricks, isn't it? Imagine if it was not and you'd financially ruined the doubters. I know that would have been unfortunate. That would have been unfortunate. Okay. Northern Hemisphere. Oh. Well, the second story of that... Well, no, it was just this that poofed. But it was the second story there. Sometimes it's nice to do those little, you know, just those little insta-guesses just to... That's a little bit of a flex sometimes. Not that it's difficult with the Netherlands, of course, but... Okay, we have a Spanish. We have white and blue plates. Those plates look very Mexican. They look like very like Mexican plates. Mexico says Ronick. Do you believe so? Bill was still giving himself a bath. He's being very clean tonight. Hemisphere does check out. It does check out. The eagles check out, or the birds check out, sorry. Compromiso por Mexico. Mexico. Do we want to guess that geo for Mexico? Let's go for it. Very nice. 262. 262. I'm not sure what he's at, but he's at something. He's definitely at something. He's always up to something. Sun at the top of the sky. Cyrillic. He's managing his properties. That he is. Centered European plates. Sunflowers all pointing away from us. Very shy. Do we think we're in Bulgaria? That's another van with EU plates with AaronRice.com with Cyrillic on it. Bilbo in box. Bilbo in box. Yes, do we want to guess at you for Bulgaria? Box too small. He has other bigger boxes. He can get into the other bigger boxes should he wish. does completely fill the box. Like a gas, he fills the available space. Fills the available space. Boy still. Okay. Do we fancy guessing a little Geo? Do you want more information? Font is correct. He did choose the box. Yes, that's true. He did choose it. I'm not sure what. Like, Bilbo went from. Oh, that's not a country code. Bilbo went from not a box cat to a box cat in about a day. When that box arrived, there was just something about that box in specifics, that he just went all out for. He loves that box, and then as soon as he got into that box, he just Candy's Eyes has given us another full screen bingo. It's the gateway box. It is the gateway box. It's what's got him into everything else. Into everything else. He's a multiple homeowner. And yes, his cheeks are holding up. Holding him up to the rest of it. The rest of the box. Little ups and downs of his chest are killing me. Yes. Breathing away. Having a nice time. Having a lovely little time. Big, big cheeks. We can only dream of being as relaxed as that man. One day. One day. Let's guess that Geo. For Bulgaria. 263. Very nice. A pedestrian map. Our first of the day. We're getting a lot of suns in the tops of the skies today. Usually vivid, but this more buff shade befits a sleepy boy. Yeah, I think it's also like the contrast between... Yes, the sun. Thank you very much for gifting a tier 1 sub to Rum Punch. Thank you very much. Enjoy the Bilbos, Rum Punch. Could this be Costa Rica? Could be. And his Laserdisc's shouting again. I'm glad people like his voice, his singing so much. It is very nice. Prosegur activa conectada. That's Spanish. Do we want then to guess that Geo for Costa Rica? However, let's just do a little quick check. They're definitely not Argentinian or these yellow plates though. It's a cute little man. Top 591. We're in Peru. Could be Portugal? No. We have Spanish language. We expect Portuguese in Portugal. And these are not non-European signs. Non-European number plates, sorry. I'm pretty sure that says PERU above that. It's the yellow one. It's these yellow ones that really sort of awoke me up to that. Because that's a textbook Peruvian plate otherwise. And it's so short at the top, like the... Yeah. Do we want to guess that Geo? Or Peru? Enhance, 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 enhance. Just my suspicions about Costa Rica for some reason were just they were heightened. Yeah, Costa Rica only has pedestrian maps, but doesn't mean that every pedestrian map with Spanish is going to be Costa Rica. It's like we're in jail. Yeah, we can't get out. We can't get out. Let's guess that you. For Peru, and we are in Lima. 264. 264. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. We're 5 away. 10%. Helado, that's Hungarian for sale. I think we might be in Hungary. Great save. Yep. Well then. Yeah, it didn't really have Hungarian vibes to begin with. But the Hungarian is definitely a Hungarian vibe. When I see Hungarian, I think, oh, Hungary. It's a pro GeoGuessr tip for you. And that, I'm pretty sure, is a huh. Oh, it's a .eu. That's Hungarian. Did we want to guess that geo for Hungary? There's our font. Our lovely font. With its weird kerning. And justification. To be honest, unjustified justification. Let's guess that geo. For Hungary. We're in Hungary. 265. Northern Hemisphere, probably. Right-hand side of the road. Vienna Convention style plates. Black plates. Vienna Convention style road signs. Black and red plates. If that is, yep, black and red plates. So we are moving much further east than our previous maps. Dos Peso. Thank you very much for your brand new fresh subscription. Enjoy the Bilbos. Welcome along. And thanks for using that one and only Prime here. Much appreciated. And yes, chatters, you'd be getting the vibes. There's a blue plate there as well. You may well be in Tunisia. Do we want any more information? We do have Arabic. There it is. We do have Arabic. We can expect French as well. But do we want to guess that you? Bilbo is very loudly snoring in the background at this point. Very, very loudly snoring in the background. There we go. Dual script. Yeah, following the following car. Are we guessing that Geo? ASMR, please. One day I'll have a cat nap cam shotgun mic. I do have a shotgun mic. The shotgun mic is, apologies. It's on top of this camera. I do use it occasionally for other things. It is unplugged. This one here, this would make a good cat nap cam microphone. So in future, at some point, I'll make that a thing. Are we ready to go for Tunisia? Nice map, though. His little ears. Oh, look at how tucked in he is. Look at that. Ears and nothing else. He is the full size of the box, though. It's like perfectly Bilbo size. Very, very pleasing. Very, very pleasing. He does just about fit. Just about. Let's guess that geo, shall we? It is, yeah. 266. 266. Yeah, and there was the French. A box of cats. That's a nice energy about it as well. Nice vibe. Crow's Nest Farm. White plates and a Vauxhall Tigra. Don't see those very often. Is that a fly on the lens of this? I'm not sure. Not these aisles? Could be. Could be. Is yellow yellow on the rear, white on the front. To be fancy guessing that geo for the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. There's a Royal Mail van, if you weren't thinking, or if you weren't convinced so far. Brexit country, will not. Parts of it. Let's guess that geo for the UK. Yes, Brexit country. 267. 267. Bit further north. Northern Hemisphere for sure. There's a map we can't see. The home counties. Terrible. Terrible. It's been a while. It's been a while indeed. We haven't been in Lithuania in a little bit. Definitely Brexit. It's been a little while. The Lithuania font, our colours, there's our beautiful giveaway sign. We're playing communally, by the way, if you're just joining. So as long as you're not Googling, backseating is allowed. And here's our road marker signs at 90 degrees to each other, but each one of them is 45 degrees to the carriageway. That's definitively Lithuanian. Let's guess that you for Lithuania. 268. 268. And a nice easy one to end us off. Where do we think we are? Similar colours to our previous country's flag. We were in Lithuania. Yellow, green and red. And we're now in red, yellow and green. For Ghana. So even though I accidentally ended the prediction a little bit early, a touch early, 10 early, we still got there. 269. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad. Well done to the believers. I will click believers win again. Prediction event has already ended. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Well done to all guessers. Well done to all guessers. I am huge streak. It's not too bad. Welcome along, Truly Busy. This is our fifth or sixth biggest streak, I think. Our biggest is 760, and then 698 before, or 697 before that, and then 582 before that. Pretty chunky. We're making good progress though. I'm just gonna stand. I'm gonna take a little break for a little second, and I'll be back in a little minute. Don't go anywhere. In the meantime, how about you enjoy a full screen bingo? Not really though, because I need to put the BRB up. But it's still big. It's still big. Back in a minute. welcome back. I thought it would get you a bigger, better viewpoint. No music. OBS says you have music on this scene. OBS says you have the standard music on this stream. Excellent view. You're welcome. Bad so. 269. 269. It's a song that isn't the Teeth song from Fairly Odd Parents, but secretly very good. Thank you for the music. Songs for singing. Is Bilbo good a homeowner? 51% says yes, but 49% says also yes. 269. Let's do a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Is that yellow in the middle of that? Is that yellow in the middle of that? It's been a while. Iceland? Oh, definitely. That's Icelandic for sure. Do we want to guess that you for Iceland? Been far too long since I've been in Iceland. Iceland? Let's go. Iceland. Eastern Iceland 270. Is that Mexico? It is. That's a Mexican state highway. Do we want to guess that you from Mexico? He's so perfectly square. He is. He's very square. There's nothing wrong with being square from time to time. Bilbo will be any shape he needs to be for him to be cozy, which I respect a lot. I respect that a great deal. Let's guess that you from Mexico. That says Mexico right there. We have Mexican place names. Mexico. Right up there. Tijuana in Baja California. Excellent. Another one. Bilbo is fluid, man. He is. Does it say Rue? More French. And we have a D number. Where do we think we are with the D number? Sometimes when my back pain is especially bad, I feel like bending it into a square shape would feel quite good. Adam, I don't feel dissimilar when my back pain is bad. Oh, I just realized I can use my keyboard properly now. I'm going to put my keyboard on as a treat. That was nice. I've actually used my desk now. Yes, as the baguettes on the screen suggest, we are indeed in France. 272. Oh, okay. 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 It's pretty cool. Yeah, but Adam, when my back pain is bad, I feel very similar. Okay. Where do we think we could be? Kyrgyz Republic. That's Cyrillic. That's Cyrillic. I think we are in the Kyrgyz Republic. We have quite a bit of Cyrillic graffiti. Bhutan. I don't think we're in Bhutan just yet. It's a beautiful map, though. Stunning. More Cyrillic. We're definitely in Kyrgyz. Definitely in Kyrgyz. Do we want to guess that geo? Let's see if there's any. In Route 96. Lovely here, look at that. Stunning. Little bridge and everything. Enjoy the valley. Oh, it's just echoing the advice. Not a rally. Enjoy the valley. It is a nice valley. We're not going to get any much higher views or anything there, but maybe unless there's something around here, but I doubt it, unless that really falls off there. Around this corner. No, not overly, but that's pretty. The white water is lovely there. Look at this. Beautiful. Riz looks so thin. Yeah. It does look very pretty. Let's guess that Geo. The Kyrgyz Republic. Where am I going? Here. Very nice. Lovely. Near the border with Kazakhstan. 273. 273. The back of that sign is black. What a job the street view driver had that day, yes. Oh, I don't like these. Do not keep to the right, despite that being what you have to do. Expecting this is Brazil. Tavares. We have Pare. The sign in South America and the Dominican Republic for stop, as opposed to North America's Alto, Retorno. New roads being built there. Where do we think we might be? That roundabout is not very fun to navigate on Street View. Oh, actually, was that a road marker? No, it was a bus stop sign. We do have the correct speed limit sign format for Brazil, and we have red number plates on large vehicles. Do we want to guess that Geo for Brazil? And that is Portuguese. With the A tilde. By the way, the inside of these microphones looks quite surprising at first. You see, the inside of this looks pretty. This just pulls off, and that's all it is. Just a capsule. Looks much less expensive when it's just like that, isn't it? A lot less expensive than it actually is. Swampy Brazil, yep. Let's guess that Geo for Brazil. Southern Brazil. A cylinder. 274. Very nice. 274. Northern Hemisphere. Or so we're told. Is that a leaf I spot? Is that a leaf? That might be a leaf. Can of Da again. Oh, I am still out of focus, thank you. There we are. One day we'll have a separate focus pull monitor, but not now. Charlie, welcome along. Just in time for leaf. Can of Da. To be fair, the flag display is very American of them. I guess it is, that's a point, yeah. I guess it is. We don't see Canadian flags as often as US flags. I mean in the respective countries. But do we want to guess that Geo? Especially as we have a 40 kmh there. Let's go for it. Toronto, 275. Making very good progress. Well, this feels Irish. This feels Irish. The low telephone poles, the stone wall, the cattle gates, RIP democracy. Yep. The single track paths. Oh, fancy. We have a friend as well. We have a lovely friend. We do, however, have Gen 2 camera. Castle Park Equestrian. 5, is that MPH or KMH? Too small. Let's see what we have. Galway County Council. No dumping. We are in West Coast Ireland. That's where I go to university. Very nice. Further inland. But yep, still County Galway. Near Tuam. Yeah, the Tuam beats banging. 276. 276. And look at how brand new this road looks. Very cool. Very nice. Galway. Galway's beautiful. If you're visiting Ireland, visit Galway. That's a US. It's got a cactus. And that says mile 322. This has to be the United States of America. Now, this one is not Galway. This one is the sunny state of, I think, Arizona. What shape is Arizona? Yeah. Cactus land. Then you could say go away. Galway. Galway? Not go away, it's Galway. 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 It's Arizona. Let's see. We were indeed in Arizona. Very cool. 277. Adopt a highway. Adopt a highway is such a curious concept to me. This feels, I don't know, Balkan. We've got the holy poles. We've got the very distinct holy poles specifically. Very thick. This is quite likely Dacia. Quite likely a Romanian map. Did we not have Brotan today? We have not had a Batan map today, very sadly. They put the state shape on the adopted highways, and I see. Cool. Yeah, this looks like Romanian. This looks like Romanian so far. Let's see what we have. Sunny holes equals row, snowy poles equals Hungary. That's the logic. Gets us this far. Gets us this far. We have our painted trees and everything else, and yes, that's Romance language. That's Romania. Do we want to guess that you for Romania? There's our diacritics. All looks good for Romania. I think we should be good for this one. Let's guess that's you, not the homeland of ozone. Very nice. 278. 278. Southern Hemisphere. Allegedly. We'll see if that's accurate. Add Moldova cards. Add it to country streak. GeoGuessr. Do is Portuguese, to my memory, as are the shape, well, not Portuguese, but Brazilian is the shape of those, and this is really weird looking Volkswagen, the shape of those plates though can comfortably be Brazilian. Thank you for handwriting. Thank you for requesting it, March of the Slugs. Do we have there should be a red plate on this. They should have a red number plate. It's either blending in too well, or it just doesn't have one. I think we are in Brazil. We're guessing that geo. Unless we find evidence to the contrary very quickly. Do we want to guess that geo? It did, lower less. Oh, it was. I just didn't spot it. Okay, 279. It did blend in. Okay. Well, I think we're Southeast Asia. And I think we're in Malaysia specifically. Better NC is Malaysian stop sign. Without a doubt. 280. Greatest number of palm trees per mile. Very nice. 280. That's not bad. Need to not break my shotgun microphone. Well, thank you very much for joining tonight, everybody. It was a lovely stream. I had such a nice time. I hope you did as well. Hope you had a lovely time. Let me just check what the weather's going to be looking like tomorrow. Raining. It's now forecast to rain. It's raining, I can't stream from IRL, but hopefully it doesn't, and it turns out okay. Let's say hello to somebody. Let us say hello to somebody. Who should we say hello to? Who shall we say hello to? Tell you what. Let us say hello. And do copy one of these raid messages. Copy one of those raid messages, whether you're subscribed or not. And we will go say hello to Hrum Punch. If the weather's good tomorrow, I'll be streaming from my bicycle around Belfast, so you get to see the place in which I live. Have a nice time with that. During the late afternoon, UK and Ireland time, but we're going to say hello to Rum Punch. And Bella Bean, thank you very much for gifting a last minute tier 1 sub to Demi Mammy. It's much appreciated. Thank you very much. Oh, we're also up to 400 sub points. Much appreciated. If I can't stream tomorrow because of the weather, it'll be whenever I can with the weather, so it'll hopefully be Monday, but hopefully tomorrow it'll be fine. I do need to be careful with the streaming setup because it is kind of sort of bodged together still, but we'll see. We'll see. Thank you so much for being here for streaming. It was a lovely time. I love Laserdisc. He's very good. Good night, guessers. Do join. Here's these raid messages once more. Do say hello to Rum Punch. Let's go have a nice time. And here is a full screen catnap cam just to see us off, okay? Just to say hello, just to say good night with Bilbo. Have a lovely time. I will see you all very shortly. Thanks again. Cheerio. Good night. I meant to, press the button to start the raid. But we're going now, and in a few seconds we will raid. Let's head over. Cheerio, good night. See you soon.